I love speaking. I love talking. Yeah. Sense ki, oh my god, I can do it. If I can make this galti se, I can actually make something with thoda और patience and like following tutorials and all. Numi is my villain arc. Hi. This is kind of like a life update video. The update that I have is I'm a small business owner. So I've recently started a small crochet business. I've launched the name of the business and I've launched the Instagram profile. So if you have not followed it yet, let me tell you. The Instagram username is a yarnly.in. So how did I start crocheting and why did I start crocheting and when did I start crocheting? So I started crocheting 6 months ago. In the first month of me trying crocheting, I was so bad at it. Like, so bad at it. I had no idea what I was doing. I kind of got a bit disappointed because I was like, oh my god, this is such a fun hobby. I really wanted to like do something with it. I really wanted to like make something. But I was like not able to work with the yarn. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. So I did not want it to like waste my money. So I searched up like the most cheapest crochet tools or like yarn I could find, and then I ordered it. That set that I ordered from Meesho had 5 colors of yarn, and they were like, it was a very cheap quality yarn, like a very cheap quality yarn. Wait, I actually have that yarn left. I did not really use wo wale yarn because like obviously soon realized that the quality is not very good. So I might actually have some of it left. These were the obviously ये इतने नहीं थे, मैंने काफी यूज करे हैं because these were the first ever yarns that I worked with, and they are very cheap quality. Like they're so rough. The first thing that I learned how to make was a crochet chain, and then उस chain को I just tied it into a knot जिससे वो bow बन गई थी. That's the first thing that I made when I started crocheting. So yeah, and फिर वो bow बनाने के बाद मुझसे और कुछ बन ही नहीं रहा था. Like I could not make anything else, and I was like, oh my god, मुझसे कुछ हो क्यों नहीं रहा है? Am I stupid? Am I dumb? मुझसे कुछ क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Yeah, so I was like beating myself up इतना ज़्यादा कि girl, you cannot do anything. What the hell? Even though like the tutorial में जो भी वो कर रहे थे, it seemed so easy, but crocheting is not easy. It actually like takes काफी ज़्यादा time and काफी ज़्यादा patience to learn. You guys might know this or might not know this. There's this thing called granny square in crocheting, and it's like one of the most important row of crocheting because you can make almost like everything with granny squares. So I decided to learn how to make a granny square. I It turned out so ugly. I actually have this is the first granny square that I made. It does not even look like a square. What is this? It's actually not completed. मैंने बीच में ही छोड़ दिया. यहाँ पे एक और row बनी थी. Now that I see it. So this is the first granny square I made. Let me show you how a granny square is actually supposed to look like. This is a granny square. This is how a granny square is supposed to look like. This is my first ever granny square that I made. I was kind of actually proud of this because like I used to think that making a shape like a shape from a string of thread is kind of tough. So I was kind of proud that oh my god, I made something, like even though it looks so ugly and it does not even resemble thodu sa bhi hai, like what is this. I was kind of proud, but like I was not able to move on to like thoda proper cheese. Like I got into crocheting because I wanted to make a bolero. That's actually how I got into crocheting. I was scrolling through. You guys know Numi? Numi is my villain arc. Numi is यूमी वाले का ये वीडियो कुछ कर तो नहीं देंगे? As if I care. Actually, I do care. Please, Numi, if you guys are watching this, क्यों ही देखेगा कोई मेरी वीडियो? न्यूमी वाले मतलब क्यों ही देखेंगे? I literally have 180 subscribers. 180 भी नहीं है, 172 है. Let me tell you, Numi has have such expensive clothes. एक tank top, like a cami top, is like 990 1,000 rupees on Numi. Like Numi to Numi, and I wanted a bolero so bad because it looks so cool. Yeah. So I actually got into crocheting to make a bolero because Numi पे एक bolero was like very expensive जब मैंने देखा था. So I just to give you थोड़ा सा वो, I actually know how to make a bolero now, and I have actually made a bolero. That's such a that's such a good thing. Oh my god, I feel so happy saying that. I feel so happy saying that. I love feeling happy about like the smallest things ever. Like the smallest thing that some people might find stupid and like might find, oh my god, like kya hi hai ye. I love feeling happy about those things. So like it's such a happy thing to like think about. Like I got into crocheting because I wanted to make a bolero, and now I know how to make a bolero. Oh my god. So I was making छोटी छोटी चीजें, and हाँ I was happy, but like I was not really making इतनी ज़्यादा progress कि मैं एकदम से कपड़े and all बनाने लग जाऊँ. That like which was like the actual purpose for me to get into crocheting. So I was not able to do that. So I was kind of feeling disappointed because like कि मैं इतना ज़्यादा नहीं कर पा रही and all and all and all. एक तो like there's this thing with me, I start beating myself up even though I can see progress, but if the progress is too slow, I start getting disappointed, which is something I know I should change. This is a very वो story. ये मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को बताई हुई है. Like बहुत सारे लोगों को बताई हुई है. So one day, like I was working with a red yarn, and I actually did not had anything in mind कि मैं इससे क्या बनाऊंगी. I was just experimenting. ठीक है, मैंने अब तक there's this thing in crocheting called a magic circle, a magic ring. Like magic ring is very important in crocheting. So I was like learning how to make a magic ring because like मैं Instagram पे भी everyone was saying that making a magic circle is so tough, and like they hate making magic circle, they hate magic circle and all. So I was kind of वो कि oh my god इतना क्या मुश्किल है, and like you need magic circle to make everything. So अगर मैं वो ही नहीं बना पाऊंगी तो मैं और कुछ कैसे बनाऊंगी. So I was very वो, so मैं magic circle बनाना सीख रही थी, and I learned it in like less than 5 minutes. Like what the hell? Because magic circle is so easy to make. Like it's not tough. Magic circle is so easy. I was like making a magic circle with the red yarn, and I made it. And I was like, did I do it right? How did I like make it इतनी जल्दी when people have said कि ये बहुत मुश्किल है बनाना? So I opened it and I did it again, and it was just as easy. And I was again वो कि भाई ये easy ही है क्या? तो मुझसे लोग झूठ क्यों बोल रहे थे Instagram पे? Yeah, so उसके बाद फिर माय ओनली गोल was to make the magic circle. उसके बाद मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इसे क्या करूंगी. सो मैजिक सर्कल बनाने के बाद आई started experimenting, like इधर से धागा निकालो उधर से, एंड लाइक करते करते इट काइंड ऑफ मेड अ छोटू सा ऐसा कुछ सर्कल टाइप. एंड देन आई एंड उस टाइम पे ना there's this thing called increases and decreases in crocheting that you use, like you need to know how to do that, जिससे लाइक आपका जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो लाइक या तो बड़ा बनता है या फिर छोटा बनता है. अब जैसे ये बैग है, अगर मैंने इसमें इंक्रीज नहीं किया होता तो ये बैग यहाँ से ऐसा बनता, बट मैंने इंक्रीज किया है इसलिए ये ऐसा है. ठीक है, एंड उस टाइम पे जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था तो मैं आई हैड नो आइडिया व्हाट इंक्रीजेस वाज. सो मैं इसे ये बना रही थी एंड मुझसे एक सर्कल बन गया था, एंड मैं वो सर्कल के अराउंड ही वो करे जा रही थी. सो लाइक वो थोड़ी ना ऐसी ऊपर से शेप बनने लगे, एंड देन आई लाइक वो देख के I was like, oh my god. And it kind of started looking like a strawberry. But like वो strawberry ना ऐसे खुली हुई थी. So it was like ऐसी shape, but like वो ऊपर से खुली हुई थी. And as I just told you right now कि मुझे increases and decreases का concept नहीं पता था उस टाइम पे. ठीक है, तो मेरे को पता नहीं था कि decrease क्या होता है. So what I did was कि किसी ना किसी तरह मैंने बस इधर से उधर डाल के बेसिकली उसे स्टिच करके ऊपर से जो वो लाइक जो स्ट्रॉबेरी की शेप थी ना उसको बंद कर दिया ताकि वो प्रॉपर से स्ट्रॉबेरी की शेप में आ जाए. And I made a strawberry, and वो गलती से बन गई. I was not even planning to make a strawberry, and that was like without reference. I did not had a reference, वो बस गलती से ऐसी शेप बन गई and I thought ये स्ट्रॉबेरी जैसी लग रही है, I can make it into a strawberry. I have actually वो स्ट्रॉबेरी जो मैंने बनाई थी, let me bring it. See here, it does, like you might think कि नहीं ये तो कुछ नहीं लग रहा है ऐसा, but like I was very proud of it. You can see the stitches are like so untidy and like kuch bhi hue हुए, like they're not even in like consistency, they're not even in sync, even the leaves are so wo, but like I was so proud of it क्योंकि like I actually made something for the first time. So this kind, like making the strawberry kind of gave me thoda sa confidence कि oh my god, I can do it. If I can make this galti se, I can actually make something with thoda और patience and like following tutorials and all. उसके बाद फिर आई एक्चुअली लर्न हाउ टू मेक अ ग्रैनी स्क्वायर एंड फिर मुझसे ग्रैनी स्क्वायर सही बन गया. इट्स एक्चुअली काइंड इजी टू मेक. उस टाइम पे ऑब्वियसली यू डू नॉट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट स्टिचेस एंड ऑल, तो थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, बट लाइक इट्स एक्चुअली इजी टू मेक. आई एम ऑन स्नैपचैट नाउ बिकॉज मेरी कैमरा की लाइक उसकी स्टोरेज खत्म हो गई है फोन की, सो आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन स्नैपचैट अब. So that's actually how my crocheting journey went. How did I decided to start a crochet business? Okay, so when I actually got good at crocheting and I actually learned how to like crochet actual things that like I can actually use, I can actually wear, I can actually carry, and every time I showed those things to someone or like every time I posted it on my story, I got so many replies and so many compliments that oh my god, like do you sell this and like you can start a business and all and all. And every time I said nahi kya karu, like kaun hi lega, and obviously it'll take too much time and like yeah. So yeah, like I had excuses बहुत सारे कि मैं क्या ही करूँगी, like कौन ही लेगा and all, but like ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम नॉट एग्जैजरेटिंग. मेरे को बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला कि ओ माय गॉड, यू कैन लाइक एक्चुअली स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस, लाइक आई हैव अ फ्रेंड हु डज दिस, आई हैव ये हु डज दिस, लाइक बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला मेरे को, बहुत सारे, बट लाइक आई वाज स्टिल वेरी वो उसके लाइक वेरी डाइसी, नहीं क्या ही एंड ऑल. सो लाइक व्हाट चेंज्ड, व्हाट हैपेंड, लाइक एकदम से क्या हुआ, दैट आई वाज लाइक ऐसी स्क्रोलिंग इंस्टाग्राम एंड देन आई saw किसी का ऐसे बिजनेस, क्रोशे बिजनेस अकाउंट ही, and like it was so cool, like it was actually so cool, like I could see that it genuinely made them happy to like sell these things and make these things for people. And without thinking, like I still did not decided कि मुझे business करना है कि नहीं. I went Canva पे and then I started like designing a logo. I started thinking of the names for the business, for like the Instagram username. I actually went on chat gpt to like ask for ऐसे suggestions कि क्या क्या हो सकता है and all, even though मैंने जो नाम डिसाइड किया है वो chat gpt से नहीं लिया, chat gpt बहुत ही बेकार आइडियाज बताता है guys. I do not actually really fuck with chat gpt, to be like really honest. Yeah. So the name that I decided on is well, like is Yarn Lee, Yarn Lee, and it's actually inspired. It's kind of weird. Like my inspiration is kind of weird for like the name. The name Yarn Lee is actually inspired by the song Gnarly by Cat's Eye. I made a whole like business inspired by the name of a song, and it's not even an inspiring song. If you guys like, if you guys have heard the song, you know what I'm talking about. It's not an inspiring song or anything, like it's just so it actually goes well, like yarnly.in. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's how I decided upon the name, and I went on to Canva, started designing the logo. So like I still had not decided कि मुझे business खोलना है. I was just doing these things ऐसे क्योंकि मैं वेली बैठी थी. So I actually made the logo. Here's the logo. I actually love the logo. It has a little cat, a little black cat. I love cats, if you guys didn't know. I love cats. I love cats so much that I think I was a cat in my past life. Yeah. चेंज इन लोकेशन क्योंकि मेरा भाई आ गया था. अभी मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया था कि मैं ये कुछ प्लान कर रही हूँ, ऐसा कुछ, बट लाइक मेरी मम्मा ने मेरे को बहुत बार बोला था कि भाई तूने इतनी अच्छी चीज़ें बनाती है, तू ये बेच क्यों नहीं रही है, एंड ऑल. एंड मैं ये बोली कि कौन खरीदेगा, एंड इतना सस्ता नहीं बेचूंगी अगर मैं बेचूंगी, क्योंकि बिकॉज इट एक्चुअली टेक्स सो मच हार्ड वर्क. इट एक्चुअली, like I just told you guys that it took me so much months to like be perfect. I'm not even perfect, like to be even thodu sa good at it. So obviously I will not sell my hard work, I will not sell my itna zyada like time for kuch, for like something cheap, just because, like just so that people will buy it. I, to be very very honest, uh whatever I will put up or put up for sale, if it's like something actually, like I made a stuffed toy, a cute little bunny. Her name is Jane. I actually name my stuffed toys. Yeah. So what, bitch? Yeah. So here's Jane. Here's Jane. I am actually planning to put her up for sale. I will obviously not put it for cheap, because it it almost took me like a whole month to make that stuffed toy, and it was my first ever stuffed toy. So obviously I will not put it up for cheap just because लोग उसे खरीद ले. I will like not lower the value of my work just to increase the sales. Why am I talking like a business student? I'm a literature student. If y'all couldn't tell, E- if you're going to tell मैं थक गई हूँ, मैं थक जाती हूँ, तो मैं थोड़ी बहकी बहकी बातें करने लग जाती हूँ. People who know me knows this. मैं जब थक जाती हूँ थोड़ा, तो मैं थोड़ी weird बहुत ऐसी बहकी बहकी बातें करने लग जाती हूँ, and I will like literally make people uncomfortable like मेरी बातों से. So yeah, so I need to wrap this up जल्दी जल्दी, ताकि मैं आप लोगों को uncomfortable ना करूँ, because like I wouldn't want to do that. उसके बाद फिर the next day texted my best friend Gunika. I actually go to her for advice, as I was saying कि मैंने फिर गुनिका को मैसेज किया, and like I asked for her advice, and she was so supportive, and she was like, हाँ भाई मैं तुझे शुरू से कह रही हूँ कि तू कर business, and ये कर, तुझे करना चाहिए, definitely. And yeah, I was like, okay girl, sure. So that's actually how I made up my mind. एंड उसने बहुत इंस्पायरिंग बातें करी भाई, वो बहुत एकदम मेरे को ऐसा मोटिवेट कर देती है. मैं उससे बात करती हूँ तो मैं कुछ भी करना होता है तो मैं उससे बात करती हूँ, ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि वो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. एंड सेकेंडली क्योंकि वो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा वो कर देती है कि yes I can do it, like yes this is for me, मैं नहीं करूँगी तो और कौन करेगा, बिल्कुल ऐसा कर देती है वो. सो या, एंड आई फील लाइक एवरीवन शुड हैव अ पर्सन लाइक दैट इन देयर लाइफ. यार मैं फिर मोटिवेटिंग स्पीच देने बैठ जाऊंगी अभी यहाँ पे, मेरे को जल्दी रैप अप करना है. ओके. आई डू नॉट मीन टू रश यू गाइज, प्लीज डोंट थिंक कि मैं इतना कुछ वो कर रही हूँ, बट लाइक यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मेरे पास खाली जगह नहीं बची है बनाने के लिए. मेरे कमरे में मेरा भाई आ गया, एंड अब फिर पापा आ गए, एंड फिर मैं पापा को बाहर भगाया ताकि मैं वीडियो कंप्लीट कर पाऊँ. सो लाइक आई नीड टू मेक कंप्लीट इट. या, so that was like the story of how I started. Also like the people around me, and like the people that I talk to, the people that I see every day are so supportive, and I love that so much about my life, because like as soon as I opened, like as soon as I made an Instagram account, I like shared the post on my main account ki story, and like I instantly by the next day it had like 32 followers. Like there are 32 people instantly there to support me, and that made me so happy. That made me so, like I was so overwhelmed, but like in a good way, that I almost teared up, even though it might seem small, but like it was actually really woo for me. And people actually like commented on like the I actually posted an introductory post, and people commented on it. Even the people I did not thought would do so, like I'm so actually so grateful for like each and every single person who followed that account, and who commented, who even liked the post. It made me so happy to see that people are actually there to support me, and I hope you like what I crochet. And yeah, thank you to everyone who like actually followed, and like who are actually there to support me for like whatever I'm doing. That was it, I guess. That was the a little lore of how I started crocheting, and how I decided to start my own small business. And thank you so much. Also, please go follow the business account. It's called yanli.in if you have not followed yet. And yeah, Bye.